All right, so today we're going to go over this BTF LED strip, and the reason I chose this one here is it have multiple options. So the reason I chose this one as a 12-volt DC with 16.4 feet, that's kind of all I needed. And most important, it does come with a option of 3K to 6K range, also RGB, COB, and then BTF is known for a good quality product. And I am going to be pairing it with this controller. This one here is the SP530E controller. It does have between 5 volts, 12 volts, and 24 volts, and you could use it with different types of LED lighting. You do have a little app you could download and definitely control it. And this is actually a pretty decent app. I'm using it already. And you have an option of Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or RF. So this is the model that does pretty much all of them. Okay, this is a great little product here. So what's important for me is the 3K to 6K and obviously the RGB. And the reason why I specifically found this one to use it in the bathroom, it's because we're going to be using color, and we're also going to be using like the 3K, which is or the 4K that I use in the showers, and put it in the niche and under the vanity. So if I don't want to use the RGB and I want to go ahead and pretty much mimic the ceiling lights and everything in one color, I want to be using between 3K and 6K. Now, if you don't get this style of LED lighting, when you get an RGB that doesn't have the option between 3K and 6K, you are going to be getting a bunch of colors try to mimic these 3K, 4K, or the 5K, and they never look good. So with this option here, you can pretty much do both the RGB, and then you could do the the 3K to 6K. So that's the reason why I picked this particular model. So let's go ahead and see what comes in the little bag. For the last year or so, I've been using BTF lighting, and I've been very, very happy with the product. So far, so good. So it does come with these little, peel and stick, holders. So you pretty much peel it, and then, you hold the LED light kind of like this. All right. And you have a couple connectors, so you can splice them if you want to add more, lights. You have this little extra cable here. You have your instructions. Okay. So this is basically, what you're getting. Okay. And then it does come with the actual, 6 cables, so you could get both the RGB and you could get just the regular colors we were talking about. And this is your COB, okay, which is you don't really see the dots. We're gonna go ahead and install it in the vanity and on the niche and see how it looks, okay. And then using your controller, okay, you could use between 5 volts to 24 volts on the controller. But if the LEDs are 12 volts, then I would suggest get a power supply to run it with the 12 volts or 24 volts, whichever way you want. So I'm also going to be doing a rain shower that just does like 3 colors. So that's the reason why I went with the 12 volt one, the 12 volt LED, so that way we could connect all of them together. Okay. All right, so what we have here, PWM RGBCCT. So this is the one we're going to look on the manual to do the actual settings here to do the connectors, okay? On the manual for the controller, we found the RGBCCT, which is what the the LEDs are for. We got the 6 cables here, and this is the configuration that we're going to follow. The color code, the black with the VCC, okay, red with R, green with G, blue with B, white with, I believe it's CW. My eyes don't work as well. And then you have your yellow with, I believe it's WW. Kind of small letters there, okay? That's how we're gonna connect it. All right, here we go. Black to VCC. Our red is gonna go to red. Red's going to go to red. All right, here we go. That's what the manual states for this LED. So we're going to have to download the app if you don't have it, and then we're going to go ahead and change the settings in the app to be able to control these lights. I'm going to be using a 12 volt power supply that I already have. It's not included. So you have a little blue light there tells you the power does have power. Okay, but it's not going to work because it's not configured properly. All right, so like I said, we need to configure now in the app. All right, you're going to go ahead and open the app. You're going to go to the top right, little plus, add device, and it's going to look, and there it is. Going to make sure it's on, powered, it's connecting, and there we go. So like I said, you could do schedules, you could do a bunch of other stuff. So now we're going to go ahead and do the parameters. All right, so we do have an RGB PWM, okay, right there says PWM, and then we have a CW, if I'm not mistaken, and we have a WW. All right, so we hit OK, and there's the lights are on. So, all right, so we got red now. Now we got to hit the OK. We got green. Make sure it checks the colors. We got blue. We got cool white, and well, it's the location. I don't want to later. We got 7 color jump. We got different configurations. And this is kind of like the same thing as a remote. You could change it around like that. It's pretty cool. Got the remote somewhere, and you could do your dimming. All right. Pretty interesting. All right, so let's go with the whites. Do the same thing, different configurations, and then the solids. Go to the solids, and you can pick whatever color you want here. Okay, you have a little thing at the bottom: red, green, blue, yellow. You see a lot of the LED strips that don't have the option to do, you know, the scale from 3K to 6K. When it does, you know, like say the 3K, it does a bunch of different colors and it never looks the same. Always looks kind of icky. You know, so you go here, pick whatever cool little, beautiful. All right, then if you go to the whites, here we go. So you could go all the way from like say 6K or so to your 3K. And this is exactly what we have, you know, throughout the house. So I think the bathroom we're probably going to do about, you know, 4K or so. Something like this. And you see it's so much better. Nice and clean. And then, you know, you have your dimmer. So that it has everything you need. And it's super bright. Very nice. Then you have like, you know, your music and all that stuff depending on the controller you have. Some of them have for, you know, music and, you know, doing all that, you know, crazy stuff, and obviously on off. Very nice. Yeah, let's go ahead and install it. All right, so very easy to cut. You just use some scissors. Always cut in the middle of these little sections here. Okay. That way, if you want to extend it later on, you can. Okay. So get that, and that's it. Let's go ahead and install it. All right, make sure the surface is nice and clean. All right, so there she goes. Very nice. Change colors. You could do dynamic. If you want to go crazy in the bathroom. We're also going to be adding the fan that has a speaker, so it's going to be a nice colorful bathroom. But if we want to go ahead and go with a nice solid white color, or there's your 3K, or somewhere in the middle, it gives you the options. All right. Alright, so the vanity is actually upside down. I haven't installed it yet, but just to give you an idea of what, you know, how bright these LEDs are and how capable they are. So using the app, and if you want to go ahead and go to the whites, add that 3K. probably about 4K or so. And we got about 6K there or something like that. All right, absolutely awesome LEDs. They're perfect.